The acquisition of Trendium brings to JDSU two very important things. Number one is a new paradigm in customer experience assurance, a paradigm that basically allows service providers to deliver a real, tangible, material impact on customer experience, while at the same time significantly reducing the cost of doing that and increasing the productivity of their people. Number two is really a platform, a real-time mediation, correlation, and policy management platform that allows us now to tie together all the technologies, all the assets that JDSU has in its portfolio so that we can have a much richer, let's say, real-time intelligence that we can provide to any application or systems that can sit on top of our platform. Customer experience assurance is very different from the traditional way of doing assurance, and the reason is really a historical reason. If you look at how assurance developed over the years, we started from network assurance. In other words, the focus was on the network because the network and the service were the same thing. Then over the years, the attention turned to service assurance because the network could support more services. And then at a certain point in time, people said, well, the customer is really the number one priority, so why don't we focus on the customer? That's when CEM became a reality. Well, because of that history, what you find today in the traditional assurance solution is they either show you a view from a network perspective, a service perspective, or a customer perspective, but they don't really show you an integrated view so that when you see a problem from a customer point of view, meaning from the point of view of the impact you're having on the customer, you can't really easily trace the root cause that is underneath from a service and network performance point of view. Customer experience assurance is definitely a reality. Actually, at Mobile World Congress, we have launched our new portfolio that we call xSIGHT, that really brings together all the technologies and the value and the assets that JDSU now has in this space. Our new xSIGHT portfolio for customer experience assurance brings four major things to customers. Number one is really a proactive way to really uncover the problems that have the biggest impact on customers and then quickly go down to the root cause of those problems so you can eliminate that and improve the customer experience. Number two is really a way to decouple the data traffic growth curve, whether it is user plane or signaling, from the cost that it takes to monitor that. And what we are delivering to customers is a way to significantly reduce the footprint and the cost of those systems to a fraction of what it is today, as well as increase the scalability significantly. And then number three, the real-time mediation, correlation, and policy management platform allows us to really take data from many different sources, not just ours, but also other data sources that the service providers have available, like network element management systems, device agents, and anything that they already have. And it allows us to take that data, integrate it, correlate it, and then feed all the applications that are on top that need the intelligence that is available in a service provider's environment. And last but not least, this portfolio is ready for virtualization, which basically means that at one point in time when this is needed, this portfolio can be virtualized, and also it's a portfolio that works in real time. And real time in this case does not mean anymore 15-30 minutes, because clearly that is not a viable option in a virtual environment. We are talking about seconds or less, meaning the real-time intelligence that we provide is made available to whoever needs it within seconds or less.